And it's children versus bulldozers. Hundreds of children and women in the Katputli colony are standing in front of bulldozers as they face eviction. The residents there protesting against the eviction. Let's now go across to Sonal Mehrotra, who joins us from Shadipur Depot to bring us the latest that's happening there. Sonal, clearly terrible scenes out there as children are trying to block those bulldozers even as they're being evicted out of their colony.
Tempers running high here. That's right, Shweta. We're coming to you from Shadipur Colony. This is the more than 6-decade-old place, and very interesting. As we're walking through these streets and as we're walking to the lanes, we saw various kind of artists, puppeteers, various kinds of artists in TV who've been here for decades and ago, where generations have lived by, and now they've been asked to evict this place and go to a new one. Certainly not going very well with them. Let me first give you some visuals around these area. The craftsmen really using their craft at this point to try and demonstrate their plight, really calling for the attention of the politicians, asking them that why is it that after we've lived here for decades, after we've represented the country and our art in various countries, several of them have travelled with the various presidents and prime ministers of the country, and now left in a state where nobody is really coming out to help with them, and let me just go across and talk to them. I have with me Sunaina, who's been working with an NGO trying to, get all these people together. There are two issues that we're looking at. One, that they do not want to shift into buildings. They want this land to remain with them. And the second, there is a bigger corruption racket here in which the land is now, this DTA land in which these guys have been staying for decades now, has been sold away at throwaway prices.
Right. I think this PPP project that has been signed between the DDA and the Rahejas has been done without consulting people, without really knowing whether people or not will be able to live in those multi-story flats. And I think commonly people are trying to think that people don't understand these policies, but it's been hidden from people all this while. People have been denied information all this while, which is why people are now finally realizing that it's time that they ask these questions. First question is that when people don't want to live in multi-story housing, they have livelihoods like people walk on stilts, people play dhols, people who have redi patris, people who have rickshaws. How are they going to survive in these tiny little flats that the government's giving?
The reason Sunaina is saying this is also, Shweta, we just visited one of the camps wherein they were signing papers, and what we found there was the fact that these papers that the residents of these colonies have been asked to sign are all in English, and they've been asked to pass their thumbprint on it. Quite understandably, people do not understand that. So what are they really signing for? Lack of transparency, that's the major issue. I want to also go across to this gentleman here. आप यहाँ puppets चलाते हैं, आप मुझे बता रहे थे कि आप कई countries travel कर चुके हैं, कई मंत्रियों के साथ, prime ministers and presidents के साथ जा चुके हैं, लेकिन आपने इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करा है कई फॉर्म्स में, लेकिन आप आज के समय जब आपको जरूरत है तो कोई आपके साथ खड़ा नहीं है।
जी हाँ, अभी तक तो कोई आया नहीं है, क्योंकि नॉर्मली जब भी यहाँ कोई बाहर का गेस्ट आता है तो आर्टिस्टों को बुलाने के लिए और कल्चर को दिखाने के लिए कठपुतली कॉलोनी के लोगों को भी बुलाना पड़ता है, और हमेशा वही जाते हैं और हिंदुस्तान को प्रेजेंट करते हैं। और मेरे को अब्दुल कलाम जी ने प्रेजेंट तो दे दिया है, नेशनल अवार्ड दे दिया है, लेकिन उसके रहने के लिए जगह नहीं दी गई है, मेरे को आज तक नहीं दी गई है, और वो मेरा अलमारी में पड़ा हुआ है। और मैं जाते हैं तो लोग बाग इतनी इज्जत और इतनी शिद्दत से हमको पसंद करते हैं, और हमारे आर्ट को देख के ये कहते हैं कि ये तो कोई जादू है, ये तो कोई करिश्मा है। वहां के लोग इवन यहां तक लिखते हैं कि हम इतने ठंडे इलाके में रहते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हम जब आपका शो देखते हैं तो हमें इतनी गर्मी मिलती है कि हम अपनी चेयर से 3-4 इंच ऊपर बैठे रहते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद यहाँ वही हमारी गलियां, वही हमारी सड़कें, वही हमारा सारा कुछ होता है।
वेरी पावरफुल वर्ड्स हियर।
हमें एक मिनट, हम जब यहाँ से निकलते हैं परफॉर्म करने के लिए कहीं भी जाते हैं तो हमें एज ए आर्टिस्ट सब लोग सर
डिसअपॉइंटेड हैं आज जब गवर्नमेंट आपकी बात।
हाँ, आज इतनी हालत खराब है कि वो सारे सर हमारे निकल चुके हैं और हमें बेघर किया जा रहा है, और वो भी सिर्फ एक आदमी को फायदा दिलवाने के लिए।
Well, very powerful words here that really tells the story of thousands of people. Let's just go back to these visuals and then I'll wrap it from here. Thousands of them now are on the streets. There are about over 3,000 families which stay here. One of the also issues is that those numbers haven't really been translated into what has been calculated by the DDA, into how many flats this will translate into. So lack of transparency at the core of it. Where does this leave the artisan who actually go on to represent countries in so many ways, but today have been left without any help? Back to you in the studio, Shweta.
Thanks very much, Sonal. Absolutely interesting way in which these puppeteers are protesting against the eviction, saying that they have been left in the lurch, protesting against the fact that they are being evicted from their home. Residents of Katputli Colony. Sonal Malhotra, they're reporting from Shadipur Depot in the capital.